Alright, what we have here is an old laptop. You'll be surprised of all the parts I can get out of this guy. I know some of you probably don't want to sit here and watch me take apart this laptop, but hey, sometimes it's fun watching somebody be destructive. I don't know how they got this thing snapped on, but it took all the screws out, so maybe I missed one because it seems like something is holding it up in the middle, but it's no good anyway, so I'm gonna rip it apart. Now what a lot of you guys don't know is, see these here? These are mini subwoofers. You can make something out of that, and I will show you that here in another clip, not in the same video because it will take too long. But let me finish getting this out. There's all types of good stuff in here. Just sit back and watch. Yeah, here's a screw right here that was missed. Well, it wasn't missed, it was kind of up under another panel. Some of these laptops are put together kind of weird, you know. Alright, here's the first goodie right here. A subwoofer. You know, with these here you can order like a Bluetooth amplifier and build you a small little portable Bluetooth speaker. So let's put this aside for later. And now to the screen. You can make your own TV with this monitor here. And all you would need to do is just order the board driver from off of eBay. On the back of this LCD monitor, there's a model number. You would put that that number into Amazon or eBay, followed by the driver board, and you will find all kind of driver boards to power this monitor. And you can turn it into a dual screen monitor for another another computer, or you can buy a board. Excuse me folks, I'm sorry, that's the wife talking to the TV behind me. I'm doing this in my living room since it's COVID-19 thing going on. I have nothing else to do but to do this in my living room instead of doing it in my man cave. And when you're doing this, you want to be careful not to crack the LCD screen. I've been doing this for a long time, so I know exactly how to pull up on this, but you want to be careful not to crack your screen. There's a few more screws left, looks like.
But look, you got it might be pictures on it. I think this one's mine because I was just using this as a USB thing before. I think I got pictures of Mark's Chuck E. Cheese birthday on here. I got shit.
My daughter just found an old Cricket internet adapter. It plugs into a USB port. Man, that thing gotta be from like 2000. That's some old technology. Now, when you get to this part, you do want to make sure you get all the screws undone. You don't want to rip the screen out. Like I said, you want to be very careful with the screen so you don't crack it. And don't just pull your wires out. Although the new driver that you order will come with wires, but you still want to be mindful of with your wires, because you never know if it comes with the wires. Some might, some may, some might not. But a board is just a board. You're lucky if you get the wires, but you should get the wires. So just be careful still. Like this right here. Got a wire going up under the keyboard. Man. But I like being destructive and taking things apart. That's how I learned to do a lot of stuff. Tore up a lot to learn a lot. Also fixed a lot. Almost out.
The creation of new emojis for smartphones and others on hold now. A nonprofit group called the Unicode Consortium oversees the creation of emojis and they usually get approved in January and released in September. But the group relies on volunteers. It said right now people just have too much to do.
Just a little bit more. There's one more screw hanging up somewhere. Be patient. You will find it. Right now what I'm doing is getting the wire from the computer's control board, and so I can pull it through here. It keeps getting hung up on something. I should come through. I don't know what's going on. Alright, there we go. Here is the real meat and potatoes inside the laptop. That's very valuable. So when you order your new driver board, it should come with all the things this LCD monitor needs to drive it. So yeah, good stuff here. Might as well take these brackets off right here. I don't need these anymore. I could use them for something, but I'm gonna make my own enclosure for this monitor or screen. So I won't be needing these little metal brackets. Alright, if you turn the monitor over, you will see the model number, and pay attention to this tape. Don't take that off. You don't want to touch anything up under there. Although I shouldn't do any harm, but I just think this is for static electricity, but stay on the safe side. Here's your model number. Go punch that into Amazon or eBay. One other thing I should mention, Don't throw away these hinges, because these hinges could be good support for your screen or monitor or TV, whatever you decide to use it for. So just a little side note, and I will show you how I use those as well. And there you have it, folks. If you like this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and you can also leave me a comment if you like. And if you have any more ideas on useful parts from a laptop, be sure to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.